Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just received my Itzy Bitzy. I did already cut the tape, but I just wanted to show you how the box came in. Did come in a little wrinkled, so I'm hoping that the backpack is not damaged. There's two little stickers here. We've got your backpack, and then a little Itzy Ritzy sticker over here. All right guys, well here we go. Ta-da! Oh, this is really cute. Little pom-poms. Let's see. Comes with this little happy holidays. I took advantage of their early Black Friday sale. But here she is. It's in the color Cognac. And it's the mini Itzy Ritzy. I love it so far. It's really nice. So here she is. Oh gosh. Alright. Here she is. Beautiful. Comes with two side pockets. Looks like it comes with the zipper in the back. Oh, here's the changing pad. We'll see that in just a moment. Comes with one pocket here. It's pretty big, actually. Two straps. Does not come with stroller straps. I don't see any damage to the bag. It's a little wrinkled, but it looks good. Let's open the big pocket. Ooh! So it comes with a mesh pocket here. And then we have the main compartment. Mesh pocket, two side pockets. The color inside is very nice as well. I hope it's easy to clean. This is the perfect size. I was thinking about getting the larger size, but I don't carry as much stuff as I do now. Now that my son is older or bigger. He's 9 months. But anyways, here she is. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Also came with the changing pad. Go ahead and open that up. It's very soft. Vegan leather. Very nice. I'm so excited to use the bag. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I recently did a what's in my diaper bag, and I bought that diaper bag at Walmart, but it did not last very long. So anyways, here we are. Perfect. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.